Hi, how are you? Today I want to rework a couple pieces and we're going to take you through the process. The first one is this. Love stripes. I love stripes. I want to rework this stripe jacket thing, blouse, into something reminiscent of what I'm wearing now. So I found this Mickey Mouse printed top. It was torn here, torn along the neckline. It was longer, so I cut it a little bit shorter, and then the fabric I got off the bottom I put in the middle of this rectangle panel, something similar to that. Stripes. So went through my stash, finally gonna use this fabric. Finally gonna use it. It's a table runner. I believe it's a table runner. It's already cut in half, so I'm assuming I wanted to use it for something else and didn't end up using it. But that's okay. The half will work. It is labeled as being 100% cotton and from our also beloved Swedish brand IKEA.
Machine wash, do not bleach, tumble dry, normal iron, hot iron, do not dry clean. A bunch of symbols that I do not fully understand. It's titled Andrea Satin. Andrea Satin. 1398 for WILJ, made in Turkey. International IKEA Systems via K. Stripes. Oh my goodness, I love stripes. Look at the colors. Aren't these gorgeous?
Well, first things first, going to open it up along the side seams. Okay, so I'm going to iron this so I get a nice straight line, and I'm gonna cut it open with our handy dandy scissors. So it's completely open along the sides. So now it's to add that rectangle panel. I think I'm gonna add a panel that's about 16 inches in width. I need about 35 and a half. 38.25. Yep, it's enough. More than enough, actually. So it's enough in length. I am going to make it shorter in width because I want to have some fabric to make a cuff with. I'm gonna do 18, and then the remainder will be used to make the cuff. Chalk. Alright, now we pin it. This is already hemmed. Gonna match it with the hemmed bottom over here. Serged the ends. I'm gonna turn it inside out and iron the seams. Okay, so I want to add a small puff on the top, so I'll fold this down the middle. I'm gonna open this up, attach this into here, then gather along this edge to make it fit into the armhole. So this is the shoulder situation. I haven't gathered the extra fabric yet, but why do I kind of like this shape? I just need to take a video of the shape so I can attempt it on something else. Or do I do it on this? No. She's fun. So I have gathered the sleeve. I've done it by hand, so I'm going to sew that. I have also finished the cuffs, and I've done an attempt at a placket. It's not great. I tried to follow one of those TikTok, well, it's not just on TikTok, they have them on YouTube as well, but those like hack videos, those quick sewing hack videos that go really really fast and you have to play them like 100 times to see what the person is doing. I got this. It's a placket. It works. But anyways, so I'm going to use the same in and out stitch, like a gathering stitch. That's what it's called. I'm going to use a gathering stitch, just in and out, in and out. You pull it to scrunch this large amount of fabric to fit these cuffs. Look at this. This is the cuff. So good. So good. These colors, so good. Anyways, I need to add buttonholes and buttons. I'm going to be using these pearl-esque buttons. Is the camera going to focus? Yeah, I'm going to be using those. Before I do that, so I need to figure out a side situation. So I did a little sketch for you. So imagine this is the side of the cloth. So it's quite bulky, this side of it, and I would like it to have a bit more shape. So I was thinking that I would create 2 overlapping strips that close with a button at the center, just to cinch it in at the waist a little bit more. For those side flaps, I have cut strips of fabric that are 6 inches by 3 inches. I've done 8 of them because I need 4. I'm gonna sew that in. I'm gonna iron interfacing on them to give them more structure. Only iron interfacing on one side.
Bye, have a great time.